Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 C300 4MATIC. This one's a palladium silver metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one also has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 64,289 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.